So at SBS, we are a software house, and we make software for ATM machines that serve customers on a daily basis. And so our motto really is be responsive. And you can really see that in the team members around us, and they are always available. They always have time for you. Whenever I had questions, we could talk about the problems. We could talk about just how the software works in general. And so that was just a really nice atmosphere at SBS, and you really feel that personable feeling with everybody. So we have front-end specialists that deal with multiple programming languages and frameworks. We also have backend software developers, anywhere from like a high-level web app to low-level products. To keep those wheels going, we have IT project management positions and technical care permanently on site at the customer. Yeah, and SBS is always trying to keep their employees up to date, by training them in new technologies like NFC and cloud and AI-based solutions. We also have projects available for students and also internships, and so that's kind of our broad spectrum of different positions available. Yeah, so I'm a back-end software developer, and I program in Java, and pretty much my daily tasks are, developing new features for our customers so that they can see more information about their ATM machine, they can understand what's going on with their ATM machine, or also when a ticket comes in, a bug that happens in our software, then go in and correct that. And so that's pretty much kind of what I do at SBS most of the time. Usually I'm working on the ATM monitoring solution as a web app that we have. And that occasionally requires me to go into the ATM test room that's on site at the company. And there I can deal with the actual machine and see how it works and see what data is actually being sent up to our web app. Salzburg is such a beautiful place, and it's, you have the architecture and you have the nature kind of all in one. One time I was just thinking, you live in Salzburg when you're just on your way to work and you see the beautiful mountain range and you just have to take out your camera and take a picture. That was just, this kind of crazy moment. It's nice to be in a city, but not completely engulfed by it. And then, you can get on your bike and you can just ride around and you're where you need to go pretty quickly. And so that's just what makes it kind of a nice area to live in. Yeah, so what we really appreciate is the amount of high quality education that you can get in Salzburg. You have like this technical high school, the HTL Salzburg, and also on the university level, you also have the University of Applied Sciences, which is the FH Salzburg. That's where I went actually. And you also have the University of Salzburg, and you have degrees ranging from computer science to just like IT in general. So we really like that. Yes!